Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In here, I want to show you how to save or export the photo on Snapseed apps. Let's get started. First, if you have the project like this, if you want to save or export this photo, so simple, you just click on the export at the bottom, this one. Click export at the bottom, click on it, and in here you can click on share or save, or you wanna export for the GPG or export for us, but in here I wanna just save, so just click on the save and finish. After this, your photo that has been added on the gallery. And if you wanna export the photo, you just click on the export again. Just click on the export again at the bottom, this one. Click on it, and in here you can click on the export. Finish, and then that you save that you have to save or export the photo on Snapseed apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Okay, bye bye.